Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color beautiful house step by step for kids. Let's start drawing! First, I will draw the lower part of the main thing of the tree. Next, I will draw the upper part of the tree, that is, the leaves and branches of the tree. I'll be drawing at home this time, so I'll draw a big line and I'll match it with this. I am drawing the roof of the house now. I'll draw a line and then draw the door of the house and a beautiful window. Two flowering plants on the ground. The main road of this house. This time, a beautiful heart. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Green color. We are coloring this tree green. I'm painting the ceiling at home a beautiful purple color, so that the beauty of the house is very beautiful. Wow, that's great! Red color. Yellow color. I'm painting the walls of the house yellow. I will paint the entire wall this color. I'm giving the window a light blue color. I am giving the door a forest green color. I'm giving the lower part of the tree a brown color. Pink color. And I'm giving the road a peach color. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!